Hello and welcome. My name is Maxim Cruz. The main purpose for this is to share information with you that you can understand. I know there's a lot of information out there, and sometimes you might be confused with different people telling you different things. Look, the information that we are looking to provide, it isn't necessarily new. It's just put in a way with simple words so you can understand it and you can apply it in your lives. Again, understanding the topics that we will be talking about and how you can utilize this in your lives to improve your financial status, to improve your business, to improve yourself, that is what matters. If there's a specific topic that you would like for me to cover, please let me know, please comment, please share, please let me know how I can better help you. Thank you again for checking this out, and I definitely look forward to giving you all the information that you need for you to be successful.
Do you understand?